Hide and Seek 1, Unit 6, Lessons 3 and 4. I can see one line. I can see one line. How many lines do you see? I can see 6 lines. I can see 6 lines. How many ants are there? There are 6 ants. There are 6 ants. What number is this? 6. 6. What shape is this? Circle. Circle. It's a blue circle. It's a blue circle. What color and shape is this? Red square. It's a red square. It's a red square. What color and shape is this? Pink rectangle. It's a pink rectangle. It's a pink rectangle. 7. 7. What shapes do you see? I can see rectangle. I can see a square. I can see a circle. And I can see a triangle. Goodbye.